today I'll be installing some hair that I got from Amazon.
Let me see. Hey y'all, I'm new to the channel, but I think in a few months I'll probably be taking over this channel. Can I open this? Or you don't want to open yet?
Go ahead, open it.
Okay, cool.
Did you know what you're talking about? Go ahead.
Yeah, and you
Go ahead.
let everybody on the channel know what I taught you.
What you taught
I like to be acknowledged as well for them.
What you taught me?
You tell them what I taught you.
You taught me.
Hey, everybody. These are so nice. Let me tell you what they do. Look at this. You get three bundles, right? There's 3 bundles.
I guess whatever you want to tell the people.
Yeah, okay, 3 bundles. That's what I'm telling y'all, 3 bundles. You get a little kit in here to attach your beads or your jewelry or whatever you want. Okay? Alright? So I'm gonna have Tesia, when her client gets here, I'm gonna have her set all this up on her client. That's so unprofessional. Like, do y'all really want everybody laughing and doing all that stuff? Listen, when Tesia client get here, I'm gonna have her set all this stuff up in her client head. And y'all will see exactly how it's done. Okay? Y'all will see exactly how it's done. She won't do too much talking, she won't do too much explaining, but at least you get to see. Okay? Because this is a real life client. Alright? So she won't have time to do all the extra stuff y'all need her to do.
Period,
But
baby.
hey,
Period.
hey, hold on now.
Go ahead.
Alright, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Okay? So when the client get here, I need y'all to be quiet. Don't say a word. Leave your questions to the end of the video. Watch the whole video.
Now you're doing too much.
Can you chill? Watch the whole video. And we're gonna get this shit done. Yes, yes sir. 1,
Anywho.
2, 3.
Anywho, I ordered 6 of these, but it's only 3 in the pack. So this is the ombre hair, and it already is colored and everything, so I don't have to customize the color at all. So this is what it looks like in the pack, out the pack, like this. So this is out the pack, and what I do is take the rubber band off, and then I pre-stretch it myself because that's what I like to do. I don't like pre-stretched hair, so this is perfect for me. I'm gonna show you how I stretch it. Just take the ends of the hair and just pull it. When I first started braiding, I didn't know what I was doing. And now I'm just doing it effortlessly, so I really like doing this part, if you haven't noticed. And I like this hair because it's not too tangly, but this hair does tangle a lot because this is Chinese fiber. This is not regular kinkaline hair, so that means it doesn't really dip how it's supposed to. Like when you dip regular kinkaline hair, it's supposed to relax the braid a little bit, but this hair, it relaxes the braid but not as much as kinkaline hair, and that's the only difference. So I just brush it out. Right now it's time to sort on my braided hair rack. I really wish I can get a new one, but baby steps, baby steps. I'm gonna do it from this angle. So this is 3 bundles already. This is 3 bundles already that I sorted. So how I like to sort and save time is I do the whole row like this, and then I will eventually put some on top, just so you can put up as much as hair on this rack as possible, because I'm like halfway getting through braiding and then having to re-up on the hair. So this is what I do to save a lot more time instead of just putting them hook by hook by hook. You might as well put them on top as well. And yes, I can see what I need to pluck when I'm braiding, so it's not getting tangled and it's not falling off. The first time I started doing this, I did have issues, but once you get the hang of it, it should be easy. I don't know where my husband went to. Probably in the bed somewhere. And yep, and I am doing hair on Thanksgiving. I know a lot of people are surprised. I don't understand. It's not a holiday for us. Just go about it. hopefully 6 packs is enough for the whole head. I can't remember, I did her hair before in these bundles or this color, but I don't remember how many packs I used the last time. I was just sorting by sorting, so hopefully 6 packs is enough. If not, I do have some in the back that I can use as well. I'll see the next pack. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I just did for this pack too. So I'll show you guys whenever I'm done with the whole rack. And I have some hair previously of clients during this whole week. I really hate using scrap hair, but you might need what you might need. So I just tie it up and do my little thing.